Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I was not going to make a part 2, but while that other video was loading, I played with it and made this. So not only the pattern itself is cool, this is the overrun. So it's making another pattern besides my pattern. If you'll see that, it's just kind of like really stands out. So to do that, and that's one of the reasons I decided to make the video, I could rotate this and use this part, but I only want a square part. So I thought I'd show this kind of off. Take your rectangle tool, if you'll get right on that node and then go all the way down to that node, and then take everything, which is two objects, and intersect it. Now you have a square of that design. And the good thing about the intersect tool, you didn't ruin it. You still got it. Now let's make it 4 by 4. Let's set our nudge factor on 4. And let's just play. Control D or hit the plus key. Control D, Control D. And I first saw this pattern right here, but when I did it down, look at the center box. My computer's going a little slow because that's quite a heavy graphic for my old laptop. And I'm sure, this might be, I hate to start laughing, but I might have to clone this because then you could have all kinds of effects in here. But that'll be another day. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea. And because this is white, you put a black background on it, and now you got black. And it kind of goes into the bisque. Hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.